Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, we're going to be doing weekly recaps of Bitcoin. All right. Most of the time, it's probably going to be on Monday because that just makes more sense because the last weekly candle closes on a Sunday. All right. So whether Monday or Tuesday. But listen, guys. So we're going to be covering Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, what's next for Bitcoin. And it's just something that, you guys can have by your side so you guys don't feel stressed. Now, before we jump into it, guys, coin fashions. I thought it's time to bring it back. It's been a while. Now, the one I found is actually probably most recent post in crypto, 5 years full time, and today I lost it all for third time. I'm tired, gang. Now, listen, this is not good. Obviously, look, man, if you're doing for something for a very long time and you're not good at it, it's either two things. You're actually not, even though you've been doing it for years, you're either not putting in the actual work or efficient work. Okay, you have to readjust. This industry is hard. Okay, so if you're doing this for 5 years and you're still losing, right? Either A1, you're just YOLOing, or two, you're not being efficient at all, and you need a game plan. You need some kind of mentorship. Um, let's see the comments. Okay, I mean, yeah, but also this is true, right? This is true, but he does have two options. If he wants to get close to diamonds, he has to readjust. He has to keep going. He has to readjust his game plan, or her, or she, but it's probably a bro. And if they don't, fries in the bag. It just is what it is. Listen, crypto bubbles, everything is kind of down today. That is expected because we did have a green week of Bitcoin, and I did say we are most likely going to be pulling back. Now, right away, what I see is we are pretty much in this zone, right? We have been pretty much in this zone for months now. Okay, this is the weekly, so every line you see represents a week's worth of data. And it was over here with this candle and this candle where I called the reversal, right? Um, then when we got a breakout here, right above this structure, I did say, expected pullback, but then I did say, these 2 weeks worth of data are different than we had. Boom, we broke out of the structure right here, and now we're going to be looking to be retesting, right? We are going to be looking to be retesting these highs so we can continue pushing further up to around 74,000, the all-time high. Then we're probably gonna have a little bit of sell-off before we officially blast off, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Things are looking good. If we go on the monthly, all right, things are looking banger. I mean, you can pretty much see this support right here. Um, Pretty much we never closed below 59,000 except for 1 month. But here was overall the big, big, big support. If we actually take it, it's at a relevant area, right? It is on these all-time highs, right? It is on these all-time highs. Now we just have to get past the relevant data of this diagonal support and then this top support, and we are good to go. Guys, Bitcoin dominance is currently at 58, pretty much in a half, a little bit lower than that, but Bitcoin dominance is just kind of going in this diagonal tube, right? We can see it is bouncing off, and until we get a break of structure towards the downside, there's no reason why it should not be overall continuing to go higher. Now, where do I expect it to go? I think it's going to go somewhere in this candle, pretty much up to 69% Bitcoin dominance at one point, which I could see it happening, right? Even Bitcoin were to go 200K, although altcoins would do pretty good. I do think most of the money would be going to Bitcoin. And then after that, when Bitcoin starts consolidating, starts dumping, the dominance starts going down, we probably would see Bitcoin dominance go all the way back down to probably the high 40s slash low 50s. Also, I'm going to put this in the middle of the video because I figured we should be covering this too, right? This chart pretty much covers all the altcoins outside of the top 10 coins. So, if you have Ethereum, Solana, and things like that, this is a little bit less relevant than you. But guys, you can see overall, right, the market cap is kind of in the middle of this relevant range, right? Pretty much when we started to, let's just say, I would say from here to here. Actually, remove this. Let me redo it. From here to here, I would say, right? Kind of like November, December, January, people start to, look at crypto again. We are, about 61% down from the relevant highs, right? Just a little bit more, like 63. So you guys have great, great, great opportunities to be buying up cryptos here, 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 right? Because we're going to be looking to be breaking this all-time highs, or sorry, not all-time, the relevant highs, right? This double top. Once we do, eventually we're going to go for all-time highs, double top. And once that happens, we can expect a huge rally like this to probably to the 1.1 to 1.4 trillion market cap, right? That is what I expect. So right now we're chilling. Right now, overall, it is a great time, right? Even if we take from all-time highs to the relevant bottoms, again, 60 here, 61% discount. If you take it from those highs, right? Again, if you take it from the last relevant highs to pretty much when we started to kind of break out, right? Boom, about 61. If you take it to the last relevant low, it's around 61. So what is that saying? Discount, discount, discount. We are at a discounted price. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. That is your weekly update. Everything is looking good. You still have opportunities to buy coins, right? You have Caspa at a low area. Turbo just broke out. It's going to be retesting opportunities. Myro is going to be retesting opportunities. PNG, Render, a bunch of these coins, you have opportunities. Remember, when you buy on a red day, you have a higher probability of making more money and just making money in general. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time.